By the end of this video, I'm going to show you how to apply for Upwork jobs completely for free. You don't need any connects to do this, and it's going to save you a bunch of money. So let's get straight into it. So essentially, you can just pick your skill. So whatever skill you currently offer on Upwork, just post it in. So for example, social media management. Now, you're going to notice, obviously at the moment, it's just completely unfiltered. One little thing we're going to do is just go to advanced search. And then in any of these words, we're going to put the words www. If we do that, what's going to happen is basically it's going to filter in all of the URLs, so external websites that are associated with this job. So for example, if we look at this one, we can see that they've linked their Instagram and their TikTok and their YouTube, for example, right? The Instagram and so on, right? A little other tip as well is if you scroll down, you can also find the person's name, right? So like, for example, Mariam is probably her name, right? So we can use that. And then obviously, if we find these, like for example, like on TikTok, we can go ahead and obviously potentially try and reach out to them, you know, just to start a conversation, if you catch my drift, right? Which is obviously, you know, you're not allowed to do that technically as part of the terms of service on Upwork, but it's just something to think about, right? Now, as you can see, there's like a bunch of these, like every single one of these has some form of URL that you can reach out to outside of Upwork. So Instagram or their website. And what I would urge you to do is if you are going to work with businesses outside of Upwork, I would urge you to give them a full audit. Don't be the type of person that just reaches out and says, hey, you know, I can help you with this. Give them like a lot of value up front. And I think you'll find that you'll actually end up getting some better results, especially a Loom video. So something like this, for example, you send it, that'll get you a much higher conversion. If you want to see a full video on how to do those Loom videos, I'll link it on the screen as well. But yeah, that's how to apply to jobs completely for free, not using any connects. Enjoy.